So y'all, we done brought the Camaro to the car meet today. Got my cousin Camaro right there. We got my Camaro. We got small car meet. I'm gonna see what's out here today. Finally about to walk around.
You too.
Yes, sir. Oh my goodness, this is clean though. That joint clean on the inside. Bro. No, for real. That what you just said? Oh, they doing awards right now. What is this?
2023.
What is this, a C4? Oh, C3. And the Cobras. That color nice. So yeah, I guess they doing the award ceremony.
All right, next is Best Ford 19. Can we see that again? Oh, 1900.
Look at all the awards he got there.
Bill
In the wood?
from Lillington. I'm sorry.
That's hard.
1969 Ford Bronco. Hope y'all left the gun.
What is that? This? Oh, they been having frunks back in the day, huh? They been having frunks. Oh my goodness, that thing was tough. Look at this, that's tough. Yeah. C7. What year is this? 68? 69. Oh my goodness. The interior tough though. How long you think he been like working on this or not? It gotta be a minute. BF Good Riches. I think I be trying to figure out what size tire they on there. No, probably not. No, I feel like it's your year and that one. They're hard. Maybe it hard though. Best rap car? That's what he said?
I said Rat Rod.
Oh, Rat Rod. That is hard though.
You need to get right there. That's what I mean. I ain't gonna lie, I've been feeling these lately.
You love you? 87. El Camino? What is it? El Camino? Where? Oh, I see it. What is it? 74? Or younger? Hey. This is a 73. Bro, look at that nigga's seat, bro. What? That nigga.
She clean.
Oh my goodness. It only got 23,000 miles on it.
She clean.
Did niggas drive this car?
You got some heat around here.
I ain't gonna lie, this color is nice though. I ain't gonna lie, let me go ahead and steal his bill right quick. Let me go ahead and see what he got. He got BF Good Riches. 235, 60, 15s. He got 15s. I got 14s. Z28. This is what his interior look like. Right, that's how you plan for your own build.
Don't tell me you gonna steal the bill, bro.
It ain't nothing wrong with it.
I got you, bro.
You know, I'm just got my eye on it.
You got your eye on it.
I got him.
This looking clean though. Ain't gonna lie.
It is though. This is 28, Z28. I like that. Nah, you was right though. They was gonna have it.
What?
Like the same car. See, I thought they was gonna have like yo. Mostly every time I see it, I see your car. So back then, every car was almost the same. Otherwise, I get.
Look at the Buick.
It's hard.
Look at the Buick.
I like that.
You know what I hear when I hear that car?
What?
That was yeah.
Which one? Bruh. No. Look at that one back there though. On both of them. Oh, look how thick this.
This the type of shit that pisses me off. This is
What?
not a street car. This is a full-on drag car, bro. You just not taking this bitch just to ride around.
Well, you not.
No, you
Hell
can't.
no. It's got roll cages. It's like my damn street car.
But niggas' interiors be clean though.
Man, y'all
Talk to
motherfuckers on
me.
YouTube be getting up here talking about my little home budget bill. Fucking blow is 10 grand, bro. Y'all fucking budget. Y'all don't mind it. Look at this.
No. Niggas got a thing like.
You telling
They
me
cut the
y'all got
whole
a budget
thing.
for this?
They cut the whole phone and put the tubes out.
That nigga sound like a
nigga be
monster.
fitting out. I know, I see it.
There you go.
I know. 2-3 years ago.
You need to go get your daddy car trailer and just put a whole, you feel me?
Whole setup.
You know what I'm saying? Put a whole setup.
They spray painted that.
Hell yeah.
There ain't nothing wrong with it though. Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Everybody ain't. What's that run?
That Buick right there.
That's that
So I like this one though.
view. That's that view. That's 5.0.
It's tough. We came to the car meet late, y'all. Nah.
That one. Got that Magnum.
Mm-hmm. They said there was more stuff out here. He said there was more stuff out here.
Yeah, he said there was that.
Yeah, ain't that what, 3? I don't even know what time it is. Oh, I just spilled the water on myself, dog. Nigga done got cold. I spilled some water on myself. Felt that one. Is that a 2SS?
Look at that fish
Right there.
Look at the fish. We was gonna buy a 49, look just like that. It was green.
What's the one that was sitting in the barn that we was talking about that one day? Remember when we was all over there?
What?
At their house.
Nah,
Trying to
he
put that
got a.
tire on.
He got a.
Nah, I think his is different. His hood ain't got no different.
His is a 69, I thought.
Yeah, I think he like older.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got 69 or something.
It's 2SS hard.
No, he
LT1?
got 49.
No, I think it's younger than that.
No, it's
It's hard.
I could point to
The 2SS? 2SS?
that. The little kid on found down over there.
2SS, crazy. Yeah. Yeah,
God, he probably got some shit out of there.
right there.
Papa 67.
Got a Dodge Dart.
My car sound like that out there.
It ain't nothing but older people out here.
looking at the seats. Seats hard.
I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Seats hard.
Look at this. Look at this though.
Mine has gone back to the Black Expedition.
Look at this though.
In an RT.
Nah, this is hard though. That wide body, bro.
I like
wide body,
these
bro.
though. These GPOs. I ain't seen Monte Carlo yet. I ain't seen Monte Carlo yet. I'm surprised.
Mm-hmm.
Like Monte Carlo, the front look like
That Buick up there? That kind of look like that Buick up there? Or am I tripping?
kind of look like the white car. Yeah, look like that. The Monte Carlo with the front end like that, like the one I had.
Oh, what is it? A G? What is it? A G body?
Yeah. It's a scat pack.
Color is clean, bro.
Great. That's clean, and it's got speakers with pioneers in the back. Yeah. See now, back in the day, this is how they got away with it. You know what I'm saying? Body and everything. That's where you put that corn look at.
Mm-hmm. You go to the juke joint. Call about $25 back in the day, was like $25 a pint.
Oh, Unc done won an award. Okay. This, yeah. So what? Wait. So what motor is in this?
Probably like 383.
383.
Probably.
And then we got what? 305. How you doing?
How you
doing?
Doing good. Yeah, that thing's clean, bro.
That's crazy.
I would say do not touch.
Told you don't need them.
What? The windshield wipers. I might not put mine on.
You'll never see the rain. Mine don't never see the rain.
Yeah, there go your boy. You finna pull off.
With the Camaro.
Yeah, the convertible. We didn't even see that.
Got a GoPro on the back.
Everybody leaving now.
It sound like music to my ears out here.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my goodness.
Made my chest take a foot.
My bad. Nah, you good. Tires thick too, boy. There go Jeep. Oh my. What the fuck?
Out there.
Yeah, that thing
That's
nice.
what I'm talking about.
Everybody sit at the top. I ain't even gonna crank mine up too.
Go ahead. I was finna say Jose. Right, right there. In the vein.
Get that Bonnie and Clyde, motherfucker.
Home of the brave, baby.
That Bonnie and Clyde. That is clean.
That truck.
Yeah. It sound like that Camaro though.
Yeah.
That's the cleanest truck I've ever seen. And it got a little tone to it though.
It's talking a little.
Speed on them, though. Yeah.
GTO. Challenger.
They had this shit right here.
I didn't even know this was going on.
I looked it up on Google and said, hey, that's tough.
Bobo. Was it a box body?
Hey, that Bronco though. Have y'all seen, they take them and they put the new, like the, you know, the new Bronco?
Yeah.
They put the interior out the new Bronco.
Inside of it? Nah, I ain't seen that. We didn't even see that white Challenger over there. Is that a G body right there? Am I tripping? Is that Regal?
Yeah, that's that Regal.
Life would be dream. Life would be dream. Boom, 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 say boom. Life would be dream. I'm gonna take you on a paradise of a boat.
I ain't gonna lie, that don't sound good though. So, you think most of these cars got the same motor we got, or it's like a little bit more?
Most people take that 305 and send that bitch to the scrap yard. No, they. I ain't even noticed that red one right there.
That Jeep.
I ain't know that.
I was put a red out hood. Yeah, no, I'm talking about that white one down there.
Oh, yeah. Oh. That's like a Hellcat.
I think so.
That's like a Damon. They got that too.
Nah, he got the same one. I think that's a red out hood. I don't know. Oh, there go your boy right there. There go your boy right there. He finna come up. Budget bill.
Hey, there you go.
Y'all remember we had a little white one looking like that?
Continue version of my brother's YouTube.
Every time.
Every time.
Every time I pull up my phone.
Hey, bro.
It's okay though. But today, this don't end off today's vlog. Hopefully y'all did indeed enjoy. Boy Thomas. Catch y'all in the next one.